All of you would have listened about psychiatrists. One very, puzzling question which often comes from whenever you talk to any, the ordinary person, then they ask that, many times they equate psychologists' work with psychiatrists' work. Okay, we will discuss first of all how psychiatrists and psychologists what they do actually, and whatever work that they do, what kind of confluence, what kind of similarity, what kind of sameness is there in between their work. Since biopsychology plays a great role in whatever roles and responsibilities which are ascribed to any psychiatrist. Okay, so what kind of services are provided by psychologists? Psychologists provide some kind of talking cure, you can say. So yes, psychologist is in a facilitator role. He or she, any psychologist, tries to facilitate, okay, that whatever kind of problem that someone is having, so that that person can have expansion of his awareness, expansion of his understanding about that problem. Now, what it means by, what kind of work there is on the part of a psychiatrist. Okay, as you would have listened, that psychiatrist provides some kind of medication. They provide some kind of pills, some kind of medication. If you approach them and you tell them that you are having anxiety, then they will provide a particular kind of drug, a particular kind of medicine. Okay, and if you approach them and you say that you are laughing too much, then they will give you another kind of medicine. Okay, so what they do actually, what they do, first of all, they try to identify that what kind of psychological problem that you are having, and for every kind of psychological problem they do have some kind of knowledge about that what kind of medicine which can be provided in this kind of psychological problem. They try to control, okay, they try to rectify, they try to correct, they try to cure whatever disorders that we have. Okay, whatever disorders in our affect mean emotion, whatever disorders that we have in our cognition, thinking, whatever disorder that we have at different other level. All of you would have listened a lot about Sushant Singh Rajput, what kind of prescriptions, what kind of medicines which were given. Okay,